I don't think there's enough room for all of them, but I'll figure something out. Oh my god, bubble blast, look at this. Okay, this is really pretty. I really like it. I'm not like a big fan of Manny. I've watched some of his videos. I used to be subscribed, now I'm not anymore. I don't know, grew out of his videos. I don't know, but yeah, yeah.
This palette can be worn by anyone and everyone, regardless of age or race.
Is there actually like human races, or is it just like something racist people say? Because I'm kind of confused, and I've spoken to my teachers about it and they don't really know, so yeah, some scientists tell me. Oh, this feels really nice. It's like heavy. Actually, a fun story. I used to like think when I was littler, yeah, that expensive like makeup would be light, because I know it's easier to like travel with and like hold and stuff. It just seemed the most like logical to me at the time, and that cheap makeup would be like heavy, because I don't know, it would be difficult to hold. I don't know. Okay, ooh, oh, wait. Didn't I already buy Beaches and Cream? Let me just look. Yeah, I don't think I did. In here is, I can't read. Luna, Beaches and Cream, Artemis, I don't really know. Frappe, Sora, Cosmopolitan, Aphrodite, Mars, and Insomnia. Yeah, I was gonna buy Beaches and Cream and Frappe anyways, and I really wanted Mars and Insomnia, so I just thought, you know, why not just buy the whole palette? And this one was on sale. It was cheaper because it was damaged, but you know, normally there's not any like actual damage to them. Oh, okay, so there's like a little bit in Insomnia right here. I don't really care. Oh my god, this is actually really pretty. Okay, I'm not like as like wow as I thought I would be, but it's fine. Oh, it's because the actual like palette here is damaged. Yeah, I don't really care about that, so. Oh my god, static fucking electricity. Look, okay, now it doesn't do it. Nice. Oh my god, that's a really weird angle. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm really gonna like these. That just went on like butter. I can't believe it's not butter. I'm just afraid that they're like too soft and nice and lovely, and that I'm just gonna break them easily. Okay, Insomnia and Mars. Basically the reason why I bought the palette. Oh my god, okay, I don't regret a thing. Okay, so Mars is a bit more purple than I thought, and Insomnia is just fucking beautiful. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god, if I kind of like stretch out my skin, you can see that. Oh my god. Love it. Love it. Oh my god. That's beautiful. That's real beautiful. So, okay, this is really like crumbly. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, you can't really see anything now, but it's just very soft. Oh my god, I just want to cover my entire arm with this fucking shit. My camera's gonna die. Okay, I'm just gonna go wash this off, and I'll come back, and then let's play with it. So, I think I'm just gonna swatch it all like at the end. I washed the brush here, and then I think I'm just gonna use the Real Techniques multitask, yeah, eye brush. I want to do something with some of the greens, and then something with some oranges. We have a little like Christmas something on our table here, so that's nice. Okay, here we have the little magnets. Okay, so let's just start off with Epic, even though I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this right now. Ooh, oh, okay, that's really pretty. And it has the name on the back, but then, oh, they already stick. Whoa, okay, hi, I just thought I saw something move behind me. It's fine, I'm just gonna die, so, you know, Okay, I think that's enough for now. I'm sorry, I think it got a bit dark now, but this is what I have for now. It looks really, really nice. It's obviously not done, but I really like it. Okay, so I'm gonna try this without any like eyeshadow primer and anything. So let me just zoom in here so we can see everything that's going on. I'm gonna start off with Mirage. Mirage, yeah, yes. Yes! Oh my god, that looks so pretty. What the fuck? It's really weird, you know? Sometimes when you have like seen something on YouTube or something and then you like actually buy it and then you have it like physically and it's just really like weird. Yeah, that's how I feel right now. Okay, I really need to sit still because you can't see anything. Okay, so now I'm really, really close and up and personal, so hope this is nice for you. So I'm just gonna use the Real Techniques Multitask Eye Brush and Mirage. So I'm just gonna put Mirage. Oh, it's actually pretty nice. It's not too like the Anastasia shadows can be a bit too soft, but this is actually just a nice it's a nice formula. Yeah, it's not too like hard and chalky, and it's not super, super soft. It's like a nice middle ground. Okay, so I'm just like patting this all over the lid. I really hope the lighting is okay because can't really do anything about it. Maybe I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow, or I could just do a part 2, like playing with Makeup Geek shadows. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in Chickadee. It's really dark outside now. Dark outside now. That's nice. I mean, I'm used to the Anastasia shadows. Anastasia, just say it. The ABH shadows being very, very pigmented, and this one at least is a bit like sheerer. So I guess that's nice. I'm just used to putting on a little bit and then really, really blending. So I think I'm gonna have to like switch up my technique for this. And I'm just kind of like dragging it up towards my pimple here. But yeah, like up towards my brow tail. So yeah, these are not as pigmented as I like expected, but they're fine to work with. I'm just used to working with the ABH now, so now I'm just really, really careful. Okay, so now I'm gonna put Morocco like in the outer V. I don't know, right there. And I'm putting the brush like this on, and then I'm turning it around so it hits like over my crease, if you can see that right there. Just a little tip for hooded eyes. Okay, so this is actually quite bright. Okay, so I don't think this is completely even, but I can't really see too much now because it's quite dark, but yeah. Okay, so here is Secret Garden and here is Epic. So they kind of look like each other. And this is dry, so that's pretty nice. Okay, so I'm gonna take Epic on the like outer part of my eye here. It's kind of like going on weirdly. Yeah, that's better. It was just kind of like not sticking to my lash line. I don't know. Okay. Hi. Wow, it's so dark now. Okay, I'm just gonna turn on a light. Now it's just completely fucking orange. Wow, okay, lighting high. Okay, so okay, let me just put in a filter. So I'm just gonna take Epic on this Real Techniques smudge brush. And I'm just gonna put that like in my lash line because apparently it doesn't want to stick there. Okay. Yeah. I just think I need to work a little bit differently with these than I'm used to. It's hard like getting into other eyeshadows. The only good quality eyeshadows I've had is the ABH one from the Modern Renaissance. So it's a bit difficult to suddenly shift what to do. Okay, let me just use this. This is the Essence 2-in-1 color correcting and contouring brush. Okay then. Let me just take a bit of Morocco here. Okay, I'm gonna use the small end in the crease because it's too light in there. But they blend out really easily, which is nice. Okay, that's really orange. They are a bit less pigmented than I thought they would be, but it's actually quite nice that I don't have to be super careful with them. Okay, that looks really weird. I think I need a more like brownish shade. That's way too light. Too light. Okay, I'm just gonna whip out Bitten because I don't really know what else to use. Okay, so it's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. That's pretty like pinkish in comparison to, I don't know, what it looks like here. Okay, I think my mom's home. I think I'm just gonna continue this another day because, you know, lighting and everything. I just want to finish this. I don't really mind, then you can see my like fucking veins. But I mean, if you don't like that, you can just use some eyeshadow primer. I just don't like the feeling of having like such a thick product on my eyes. Okay, so let's just put that on. There it is.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, I look like shit right now. Okay, it's quite dark. Can't really blend this shit out.
One eternity later.
So yeah, I mean, I wanted a like grungy smoky eye, but I think this got a bit too grungy. I think I started out a bit too like confident and just tried to do a smoky eye, and yeah, but I'm just keep it real, and this is what happened. You could probably like blend it out, but I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow. Bye. But it's a really pretty shade though. Which way? That way, okay. Hi. Cringe.